Alright, take a look at this one. We have 40 divided by 4/3, then multiplied by 3. Now, a lot of people rush into it like this. They see the multiplication and do it first. So they go, 4/3 times 3, those 3's cancel, leaving just 4. Then they say 40 divided by 4 equals 10, and they stop right there, thinking the answer is 10. But that's not correct. Let's see what really went wrong. In this expression, we have one division and one multiplication, and according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority. That means we have to work from left to right, not pick whichever one looks easier. So let's solve it properly, step by step. First, we handle the leftmost operation, the division. We have 40 divided by 4/3. Now, remember the KCF rule: keep, change, and flip. Keep the first number, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we keep 40, change the division to multiplication, and flip 4/3 to 3/4. That gives us 40 times 3/4. Now, we can simplify this easily. 40 divided by 4 equals 10, so we're left with 10 times 3, and then still times another 3 from the expression. So 10 times 3 equals 90. That's our correct answer, 90, not 10. It's a great reminder. When multiplication and division appear together, always go from left to right. That's how you stay consistent and avoid mistakes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick math lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.